talk about information separate from health. How you feel is information, how you respond to a drug is information, your genetic code is information. What's really happening is we're going to start collecting it, we're going to start seeing it, and we're going to start interpreting it.
We're doing this today. With advances in wearable technology of all types, combined with cloud computing, the marketplace has stepped in to provide robust data visualization tools and dynamic dashboards in mobile devices. This has increased the public's desire to self-motivate, self-execute, and self-audit their fitness. This is what we now call the SelfEfficacy Framework.
If we monitored our health throughout the day continuously, every second, what would that really enable?
And there's now a lot of really great technology coming out around this sense of tracking and monitoring, and we have all kinds of sensor companies and devices.
We're actually collecting a lot of physiological information, heart rate, breathing, in real time, every minute, every second.
Data is equal to accountability. To quote the elite multisport coach Jim Vance, if you're afraid of data, you're afraid of accountability. The purpose of data is to keep you accountable and give you better insight. As coaches training athletes to meet or exceed the demands of races, we're in a better position than any time in history to keep athletes accountable with now direct line of sight into the real-time syncing of athletes' physiological data as well as their expenditure and consumption relationship. With access to the cloud, this is all location independent.
People wanting to measure their daily activities and being able to track your own sleep, being able to watch and monitor your own food uptake, being able to track your own movement.
It's almost like looking down on our lives from 30,000 feet.
You can look to see if how you exercise changes your social behavior, if what you eat changes how you sleep, and how that impacts your medical claims.
All kinds of data and information are sitting inside the world you do every day.
Now, with all these devices, we have real-time information, real-time understanding.
This new paradigm holds big implications for modern fitness professionals and coaches. The classical model of the one-off and ad hoc training sessions are quickly becoming obsolete, particularly since the data from these ad hoc sessions are often lost, rendering it unquantifiable. The marketplace is now demanding fitness professionals that are not only knowledgeable about training science, nutrition, and exercise physiology, but these professionals now must be part data scientist and even part project manager, having direct line of sight into a person's end-to-end life. This is being forced upon us in order to be able to decipher and draw predictions and complete and meaningful conclusions from prescribed activity and all of the total physiological data about a person stored in the cloud in real time.
But if hundreds of millions of people do that, you have a big cloud of data about people's behavior that can be crawled through by pattern recognition algorithms. And doctors and health policy officials can start to see patterns that change the way collectively as a society we understand not just our health, but every single area where data can be applied.